thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you.
Seconds, hours, so many days. You know what you want, but how long can you wait? Every moment lasts forever when you feel you lost your way. And what if my chances were already gone? I started believing that I could be wrong, but you gave me one good reason to fight and never walk away. So here I am, still holding on. Every step you climb another mountain, every breath is harder to believe. They take you by the weather the hurricane to get to that one thing. Just when you think the road is going nowhere, just when you almost gave up on your dreams, they take you by the hand and show you that you can. You can go higher, you can go deeper. There are no boundaries above and beneath you. Break every rule, 'cause there's nothing between you and your dream. With every step you climb another mountain, every breath is harder to believe.